This is Ngamdu Central Market, with its inhabitants going about their night hustle and bustle by the installation of solar-powered streetlights, thereby bringing a renewed sense of security and enhanced socio-economic activities. Previously, darkness was a significant challenge, leaving the community vulnerable to criminal activities, but with the introduction of these solar-powered streetlights, even remote corners of the community are now adequately lit.
Ngal tema kur kamu wadu goja wadu zuba lakcin baro sarin bin jili shi ande kuru maru yende senator MT mongonoru ala shiron nilefa acho
ala futo anda taxa andero senare ala shesha taxa sha furo hafsa
kasu ndi dada na alan warasu wajima apima karunga yamba.
The beautiful illumination along the streets has transformed Ngamdu, with residents enjoying evening strolls.
And then Ngamdu da shiro gullen na ba sai shiro modas ala shiro ne lebaci ala kanzu barazi
and the other shima and ya kusun za wanya and the shina kusun da ba shiro askara and ya fiye
tun kafin zabe har ga zuwa an yi zabe bai daina ba yana yi mutane suna jin dadi
and ya taksuna walti taksu jiriya kamo zaran ya kiri wurmo ba gayu gare mbe kwaya lifkara.
Both young and old in the community commended Senator Mohammed Tahir Mongono for his determined efforts in bringing light to their community and renewing their hope for a better future. In Maiduguri, Tina Toro, NTA News.